Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Khilji Tech 1. Please subscribe my channel Khilji Tech 1. In this video we will discuss about CapCut editing. First of all we see CapCut editing tutorial beginner to advanced CapCut skills. Are you looking for a free video editing tool? This wiki how will take you how to edit videos using the free mobile app CapCut. Many people use the app to edit videos for TikTok, but the opportunities are endless. We will outline most of the more popular and essential feature. These range from basic editing trick including how to navigate the app to more unique features such as adding background music and filter. Getting started with CapCut. Download the app. CapCut is available to download on iPhone and Android devices. Navigate to your respective application store, i.e. Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and tap on the search icon in the lower right corner. Next, tap on the top search bar and type in CapCut. If you're using an Android with Google Play, tap on the Google search bar labeled Google Play and type in CapCut. If you in your search result, tap on the app title CapCut Video Editor. Tap the download and install button. It is completely free to download. Give CapCut access to your camera roll. This allows you to insert the video clip you want to edit. Open the app and tap on the new project button at the top of your screen. Allow CapCut to access photo, media and file on your allow. Then tap on the green confirm button. The acknowledges the CapCut need access to your footage. On the next pop-up window, tap the button that allow access to all photos. You are only need to complete this step. The step first you open the app. Start a new project. After opening the app, tap on the new project button. A new screen will pop up that display your camera roll videos. Select a video clip. Look at which video scrolling through the page that shows your camera roll. Tap on the thumbnail of your desired video and tap the add button to the lower right corner of your screen. For now you are just choosing one video clip. We will guide you through adding more clip in the later step. Get to know your workshop. CapCut direct you to your primary workshop. After you upload your first clip, there is where you will spend most of your time in the app. From top to bottom there the preview panel, timeline and toolbar. View the preview panel and it displays a preview of what you edit video in clip will look like. View the timeline and toolbar. These are the bottom half of your screen. The timeline is below the preview panel and it is toolbar at very bottom of your screen. Contains all of your editing tools like split, audio, text, stickers, effects and more. Completely basic editing. Trim video clips. Trimming in video editing is when you shorten the beginning or end of your video to trim the beginning of your clip. Drag your finger from right to left on your timeline until the playhead is where next. Tap on the clip and drag the thick white line on the left to meet the adjusted playhead. Your video will now start at the location where you put the playhead. Trimming means that the part of your clip that used to between the thick white line and the adjusted playhead will be completely cut out. To trim the end of your video, perform this step on the right side. Drag the timeline to the play you want the video to end, indicated by the playhead. And then tap on the clip and drag the thick white line on the right of the meet the playhead. Join video clip. If you want to add more clip to your project, use the join tool to do. Tap on the white plus button on the right of the timeline, then select other clip, tap on the its thumbnail and click add in the lower right corner. You will now see the new clip located or to the right of the old clip on your timeline. If you want to switch around the chronological order of your clips, simply press and hold and drag a clip in the timeline and your desired location, i.e. placing the new clip to the left of your old clip to make it play first. Thanks guys for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Khilji Tech 1 for more interesting videos, and we meet with a new and interesting video. Now you subscribe my YouTube channel Khilji Tech 1. Allah Hafiz.